When automating a manual process, we often find that Excel data is being used in some step of the process. A Kofax RPA robot can interact with Excel data just as natively as with websites. The configuration is done within the Design Studio. The robot requires no virtual desktop or even the Excel application itself. Let's look at how an Excel file can be accessed by Kofax RPA. In this example, I will access employee data residing in an Excel file. I start by creating a new robot and calling it employee data. For holding the data, I add an Excel variable and just keeps the name Excel. I insert an action step and selects Action File System, Load File. The file name could be held in a variable, but in this case I use a fixed path. I select to load into my Excel variable and insert an Open Variable step to access it. Now I can continue building my robot and have it interact seamlessly with my Excel data, all directly from within Design Studio of Kofax RPA.